Have you ever closed Chrome and your PC was still slow? Chrome is one of the most powerful browsers ever built, but out of the box, it comes loaded with settings that quietly eat your RAM, run in the background when you are not even using it, and fight your PC for resources around the clock. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which settings to disable, what each one actually does, and how much of a difference it makes. Open Chrome, and in the address bar type chrome://settings/system and press enter. You will land directly on the system settings page. Look for the option that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, and check whether it is toggled on. If it is, toggle it off right now. When this is enabled, Chrome keeps running silently in the background, even after you close the browser window. Every extension that has background permissions and every web app you have ever installed through Chrome keeps consuming your CPU and RAM invisibly while you are trying to use other programs, or even while your PC is sitting idle. You can verify this yourself by closing Chrome completely, going to Task Manager, and looking for Chrome processes still running. After disabling this setting and closing Chrome again, they will be gone. For most people, this is the single biggest quick win on this entire list. In the Chrome address bar, type chrome://settings and press enter. Then click on Performance in the left panel. Here you will see a section called Memory Saver. Check whether it is enabled or disabled. Memory Saver is Chrome's built-in feature that automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep after a period of inactivity, freeing up the RAM those tabs were using. When you click back on a sleeping tab, Chrome simply reloads it. If Memory Saver is off, turn it on right now, as it can free up hundreds of megabytes of RAM from tabs you have not touched in a while without you having to manually close them. Once enabled, you have three options: Moderate for gentle savings, Balanced, the recommended option, or Maximum for the most aggressive memory savings possible. For most users, Balanced is the right call, but if your machine is really struggling for RAM, go ahead and select Maximum. While you are still on the Performance page in Chrome settings, scroll down to the section called Energy Saver. Toggle it on if it is not already. Energy Saver conserves battery power by limiting background activity and visual effects such as smooth scrolling and video frame rates. For laptop users, the recommended option is Turn on when your computer is unplugged to meaningfully extend battery life during normal use. For desktop users, this setting is less relevant since you are always plugged in, but leaving it enabled on the battery option costs you nothing. The trade-off is that visual effects and background tabs may feel slightly less polished, but there is no difference at all on your active tab. In the Chrome address bar, type chrome://settings/system and press enter. Then look for the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available. Hardware acceleration tells Chrome to use your GPU to handle graphics-intensive tasks, like rendering video and animations, instead of doing everything on your CPU. If Chrome is running well and you have no video or graphical issues, leave graphics acceleration on, as it is beneficial on most modern systems. However, if you are experiencing stuttering video, visual glitches, or Chrome crashing, toggle it off, restart Chrome, and see if the problem disappears. For many people with specific GPU or driver combinations, disabling it is an instant fix. Now let's look at one more area that most Chrome tutorials completely ignore. Open a new tab in Chrome and type chrome://extensions in the address bar. Every extension that is enabled in Chrome runs code in the background on every page you visit. Some are lightweight, while others, particularly ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools, can add meaningful overhead to every page load. For any extension you have not used in weeks, simply click the Remove button. For extensions you use occasionally but not daily, click the toggle to disable them rather than remove them. You can re-enable them whenever you need them. After cleaning up your extensions, go back to Task Manager, and you will notice the number of individual Chrome processes has dropped, sometimes dramatically. Fewer extensions means fewer background processes and more free RAM for everything else.
Chrome is a powerful browser designed to prioritize speed and convenience for itself, often at the expense of the rest of your system. By disabling background apps, using Memory Saver, and cleaning up extensions, you will have a noticeably lighter, faster Chrome that plays much nicer with the rest of your PC. Go back to Task Manager after making these changes and check that Chrome memory total again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tips like this one. If there is a specific browser or app you want me to cover next, drop it in the comments below.